Welcome everybody to my Sunday from. Today we have some mail and we are gonna open it and uh, see what we got today. Oh, I know what this one is. So this one is this one's my mom's favorite actually, but I wanted some. Um, for some reason I just had a craving for it, so I bought some. And this is Arizona tea. It's the Arnold Palmer kind. Half tea, half lemonade. So it's just the regular one. They have one. No, it's not the regular one. It's the light one. It says right here. It's the light one right here. So it doesn't have as much like calories and stuff like that. And it comes with a 12 pack for under $8. And these each have 16 ounces of tea in them. So for me, that was a really good steal. It was a really good deal. Um, for seven something for 12, 16 ounces. And it was like a good flavor. Um, so I mean, I don't know. Um, I think that's a 10 out of 10 deal for me. And they're always like that because it's just Arizona tea. And here I got this lip pencil, and the color is Pink Floor. And this is by LA Colors. So I've been really interested in finding nice lip liners, like nice colors, because like my mouth is kind of big and it's like kind of in your face like whenever I put lipstick on. And so like, you know what I mean? Like whatever I have on my mouth is a statement because it's like right in your face. Like you can't miss it. So when I pick a lip color, I like it to be flattering, and I like it to also stand out, because like I don't mind being the center of attention, obviously. So the next one is a box that I will open. So here I have, it's like a bunch of food. And this is, I decided because I made a mukbang that I wanted to show you guys, like about my food from the mukbang. And I bought one of the main ingredients from one of my Memorial Day uh, weekend meals. Okay. So here's the vegetable lentil soup that I bought. And this one was two something. So I just bought it because it has lentils in it. But it also has tomatoes, I think. Let me read what's in it so that way you guys know. It says green lentils, diced tomatoes, roasted red pepper, celery, corn, tomato puree, black beans, uh, and then like ACV, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, garlic, um, cumin, chili pepper, black pepper. So actually, I don't know. This one's more like a chili. It's more like a Mexican lentil than it is like, you know. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but like I kind of wanted to. It's just I never heard of bean inside of a curry. I never heard of bean curry. I'm sorry. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Although the lentils do taste similar, I might try it because there's a lot of curry dishes in Mexico. So I might try it. Not gonna lie. we'll try it and then I'll taste it. Maybe. So, I am making recipe videos this week, so make sure to look out for them. No matter what I decide to post, like, look out for them. This is the Trident that I be eating. Everybody's always like, what gum is that?" This is the gum. It's called Trident Original Flavor. And this is like under $4. It comes with 3 14 stick packages, 42 pieces of sugar-free gum right there in your face. Sugar-free gum. So it doesn't, one little stick is like negligent 5 cal, but like the ingredients are not bad for your teeth. And even though like you can find stuff that doesn't have sugar in them, I think some of the ingredients do have an effect on your teeth. Like some of them are acidic. Like say sparkling water, it might not have sugar in it, honey, but it does hurt your teeth. So I mean, some of the things that they add into products that are sugar free or seem like they're healthy, you still have to. I'm sorry, it said xylitol is not safe for dogs. You still have to, you know, read the ingredients and find out what they are if you don't already know. Get familiar with things that they put in foods. Also, it's very helpful and it could only benefit you. Trust me. Um, Another thing that I have purchased this week is a cute little outfit. I wasn't sure if I already had it, but this outfit was about $5 for a 2 piece, and I can't say no. Where? Where? Look, this is a 2 piece set. It's like almost like a bodycon, but it's cute. See, this is the top. I bought in extra small. And then, see, like it'll cover your whole entire top. It's not just like capping, like it'll cover your whole top. And it doesn't hold anything in, obviously, it's just the top. So you probably do a bandeau. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna trust you. So the back is just plain and the straps are just the same as the material. And this skirt is kind of like a knee length skirt. You see that? It's like a knee length skirt. Or just, like if it's like shorts, like it's not gonna be real showy. And it's pretty much lined with a polyester. It already has a slip and sewn in, honey. And then the material is stretch, as you can see. It has a lot of give, so you can maneuver, walk, and dance, and woohoo! So I like it. This is the waistband. It's elastic, really thick, really solid, which is cool because like I don't like putting things on and having to adjust them constantly. This is a really good waistband too. So I feel like, yeah, I think it was worth the $5. What do you guys think? So here's the next one. This one is, guess what this one is? Herbs and spices seasonings blend Haitian style. Epi's powder. I never had this before, but it says it's got chicken base, chicken fat, onion powder, turmeric. It's got garlic, shallots, pepper, parsley. Yeah, baby. I can rock with this. I haven't had this in a long time, honey. I've been looking for you. Like a lot of those ingredients I use in my Creole seasonings. Honey, I haven't had that in so long. I'm about to cry. I'm sorry. Let me put this away. Okay, so oh, before I forget, this is by Munia Monet and Moneyedi. I found this one. They sell different ingredients. They sell liquid, green, and a green sauce, and spicy, and a regular beef powder. But this is 27 ounces for $8. Not even plain. So yeah. I got the slip kit. The slip kit is it's kind of like a light pink, like a nude pink. But I want to open this when I do my makeup tutorial with that eyeshadow palette that I promised to do one with. So um I have, yeah, I have the lip and I have the eye now. So that way we can kind of have fun. At least, a couple things. I wanted some new highlighter, but I'm gonna have to look into that because I really am not feeling highlighters at this point on the market right now. Oh, that's spicy stuff. Not sure if you want to see this, but since I'm not gonna ask you, we're just gonna open it. You can choose if you want to see it later on when I post it. Okay, so this is a cute outfit I saw, and I don't have any like this. So don't cap on me. Oh, you have too many. No, I don't have this one. And this one is freaking sparkles, and it's just like a bathing suit. Like it's just like a bodysuit. Look at this. Oh, some are already coming off. So here's the front. You can see the front is like that. The back is like that too. It's freaking cute, isn't it? And this is the arm. It's just a regular tank looking arm. But look at the sparkle, y'all. And then here's the bottom is the same. There's nothing fancy. Nothing fancy here. Just kind of a small cut. But other than that, yeah, it's just mesh. I'll show you. See that? It's supposed to look like that. One size fits all. And yeah, and this is like the shoulder part, like where your arm is. I think it's cute for like $4, three something. And then here's another one. So I got hygiene. And these are like really inexpensive. They're under $5. They're like three something for 54 liners. They're just regular sized liners with the sticky in the back and individually packed so you can put them on, in a bag and not have to worry that they're damaged when you are ready to use them. I also bought a 4 pack of chicken for like 3 pack of chicken for like $7, or it's 7 something. It was under $8, but they're each 4.5-ounce cans, premium chicken breast, the good kind. It was on sale, so I got the 4 pack because that's the one that was on sale. And that's about it. I hope you guys like my haul. Um, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. My son different. Bye bye.